Hi there, e-commerce friends. In this video, I'm going to talk about the quality score, and in a second part, I will also give you some tips on how you can improve it. So the quality score is a metric that indicates your ad quality compared to your competitors. It is a score which reaches from 1, very low, up to 10, which is very great. This metric will directly determine how high your CPC is, your cost per click. So if you have a better quality score, the lower your cost might be. The quality score contains out of 3 metrics. The landing page experience, so how well and how consistent the landing page is with what the customer might look for. The second part is expected click-through rate, so how great your ad copy is and if you make it clickable, if people click on it. The third one is the ad relevance, so if it matches your customer intent once they see and click the ad. As I mentioned, in the second video I will go over a few tips on how you can improve those metrics to make sure that your CPC cost will be lower and therefore your ad will be more worthwhile. Alright, until the next video, and talk to you soon.